Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can create histogram on the data frame which we have by using Seaborn library. So here we have to import Seaborn as SNS and matplotlib pyplot library as a PLT and pandas library as a PD. Here we are using this dataset diamond.csv. On this dataset we will try to make a histogram. You see, these are the field in this data set. So we will make a first of all a dist plot on the basis of price. This price, if I run this, you see that we have created the data set here df on the basis of diamond, and we are displaying the 5 record from using head function, and then we are using the df price in SNS dist plot function that will display the information in the dist plot format like this. In this way it will show you the information of prices, but this function has been deprecated in new version of Python. That's why we are using now the modified version of this, that is distplot. So we will use this function, and this distplot function will display data in this bar format. Same information that we have shown here but in different picture. And you can use hist plot also. The histogram you can display like this. That is also the same kind of diagram. So you can display the estimation of prices by using hist plot function. But if you want to give the color, because by default is blue, but if you want to change the color, then we may have a color attribute and we can show this also. You will see the color has been changed. But if you want to display the information only in 10 buckets or 10 bar, not more than this, so we can put here one attribute bins 10. So on the basis of this we can run only, we can show prices only in 10 bins or bar. We can increase and decrease also as per our choice. 12, you see it will increase and decrease as per your choices. Now you can also enable KDE, means line, on this particular bar. So if I run this, you see there is some changes. We have the line also on the bins, so we can enable KDE and we have the line like this. And if we want to show the joint histogram, then we can test on this histogram on the iris dataset, and here we will use the joint plot function to display this information. You see here we are using histogram also, and we are using the scatter images, scatter line, to display this information. And we may change the color also. We have here x and y attributes. Dataset is iris, color, we can change the color also, the olive color, like this way. And we can also use the regression algorithm to implement this. You see we have the regression line also on this dataset, and we have this kind of line also just by enabling the kind equal to regression. So this way we can use the Seaborn library to display information in histogram format or in joint format as per your requirement. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.